Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lee, and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a mukbang on some Brooklyn's backyard. And I went in and I ordered their steak and cheese and their baked macaroni. Let me see if I can give you a shot. And it's really good food. They serve really good food. So if y'all have one in y'all's area, y'all go check it out. I guess it depends on who's cooking it and stuff also. So, and then I have some pilaf rice, and they put extra stuff in their pilaf rice. I think they got like mushrooms and peppers and onions and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, because I always order the steak and the mac and cheese, but I've never had the rice. My daughter liked the rice, so I'm going to go ahead and taste and tell you what I think of it. Yeah, well, the best rice pilaf that I've had from a restaurant. So, because I've eaten a lot of rice pilaf from different restaurants and places. So this is the best one that I've tasted. Not as good as mine, but well, I hope everybody's doing good today. I am. I've been having a lovely day. It's such a beautiful day here in Florida. Mm. Mm. Oh, this stuff is hot, 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 hot. Oh, and I'm dropping. Oh, it's dropping. I'm trying to. Oh gosh, it's hot. Oh my. Yeah, I ran and picked this up and I came back home. I got some Parmesan cheese right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on my steak, because I love me some Parmesan cheese. A little bit on my mac and cheese also. They already have this on, but they have the mac and cheese with the breadcrumbs and stuff on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of garlic powder on it. And I mean, like, you really don't have to do anything to this sandwich, but this is what I prefer. And it's so good. I need a fork, a knife, and some milk. And I have here for my drink a homemade butter pecan shake. So good. Well, I just buy the butter pecan ice cream and add the milk to it. Y'all, if you got one in your area, go try this Brooklyn's backyard. I have my microphone on, baby. I need to cut this sandwich so I can eat it. But I got food falling out of it. Mm. For real? Not even the Dukes? Oh God, I hate sandwich spread. You know that Duke's mayo with the yellow label? That's not in there? That's okay. Mm. Mm. Dropping my steak all over the table. These other restaurants about to get their weight up because this is the decentest tasting plate of rice that I've tasted from any restaurant. So, and I know I just said that, but I'm telling y'all, it is decent. It's got flavor in it, y'all. It's actually got flavor. Oh my God, I had macaroni and cheese, y'all. And I love macaroni and cheese. Some good macaroni and cheese. Oh my. And I don't like everybody's macaroni and cheese. Gotta be my macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna turn my sandwich around because look, it's more juicy after I cut it. Let me turn my light around. I got a ring light here. I don't know if it even make a difference. Guess I better put it back on me, huh? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did steak last night in my video, in my Valentine's Day video. It was so good. I'm gonna have to do a how-to on mine, how I do my hair. Hot. Oh my gosh. I'm eating too fast, about to get choked. And y'all know who else has a really good steak and cheese sub? I think it's Jersey Mike's. I'm pretty sure that's who I'm talking about. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Oh my gosh, y'all. Mm. This is so good. Mm-hmm. I'm about to get choked. Meat keep falling out, but that's okay. I'm gonna pick it right up. I'm about to get choked. I'm eating too fast, y'all. Down, boy, slow down. I need a straw. I need a straw. I'm sorry. Y'all, my baby playing her game. And I keep interrupting her. My milkshake melting. Thank you. Y'all see this right here? This is a metal straw. It's got writing on it right there. Till I'm doing my video, she ain't talking. Hold on. This is a metal straw. Excuse me, I got this straw a few years ago. I don't know where I got it from. But it's nice. When you're sipping your cold drinks up in it. They come up really cold. My milkshake melted. But that's a nice straw. I like it. I like the metal. I like the metal plates, the metal cups, and the metal straws. I think they're unique. Mm. Y'all, everything is so good. I promise. Oh my gosh, I'm getting choked again. This is so sad. Never let your food choke you. Always choke it down. If that make any sense. I had to have that. I was getting choked because I'm eating way too fast. I gotta learn to chew a little slower. I mean, well, chew a little longer. I gotta learn to chew a little longer. Tells Andrea her messages are popping up out here. I may not be able to take the whole steak and cheese down, but I promise you I'm gonna finish this mac and cheese and this pail of rice. And I don't know how I be getting full so fast, y'all. Like, it's after 5 and this is my first meal today. But this is very unhealthy. I'm gonna have to start eating in the morning. But now they're saying, I was watching something on the news the other day, and now they're saying that breakfast isn't the most important meal of the day. So, all my life I heard breakfast was the most important meal of the day. Gets your metabolism started when you eat early in the morning. On the news the other day, I was watching, they said something different. Saying it's not. See, once you're a scientist, and you do one good experience or experiment, and something has been scientifically proven, the world gonna automatically take that and run with it. Automatically. And now, after it's been scientifically proven, they're saying it's not good. It's better to skip breakfast. Somebody talking about they did a study or research or something. I can't believe these people these days. You got to see for yourself. Ain't that right, Mama? Yeah. Oh. My baby sitting here watching me like, listen, my mama, she crazy. Excuse me, y'all, I'm burping. Finish off my rice. All going. That was so good. I'm good and full now, y'all. I can go take me a nap. I had no idea I've been eating for over 19 minutes. This is supposed to be a quick video. Last spoon of macaroni. All gone. Finish off this little piece of steak. I ain't gotta have all that bread. I got full now, y'all. I done run into 20 minutes. Finished off the milkshake. It's gone. Well, y'all know what that means. After a good meal, nap time. Y'all like my hair? I love it. I did this for Valentine's Day. So, good people, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, you guys have a good one. Cut.